Computer sir, please explain me the concept when shorthand if-else is assigned to some variable.
Nice question, Meena. Please follow this example. Now, we are going to understand a further trick of shorthand if-else, where this whole expression is actually getting outputted to a value. A very small code of related to a signal color example. I will again reiterate that this shorthand expression is actually a conditional expression as per the Pythonic terminology, right? So, actually whenever we say expression, which does mean that it evaluates to one single value, right? So, now we are collecting the signal color in the text form itself. We have to write, for a simple example, we will write in a small case itself, red or green signal. So, this is getting collected in SC variable, and see, we'll read it from here. If SC compared to green equal to means comparison, if this is equal to green, then this will be outputted. Go will be the value which will get, and else the value will be stop. So, this will be a text value. So, this will come as a text value, a string in the OP variable name. So, if we print OP, this go or stop will be printed. So, what I am demonstrating here is that this whole expression is outputting a value. So, that's why this is just simply an expression which you can output to this kind of variable. Earlier also we have demonstrated like a print here. There also actually print will also work as an expression. Singly it works as an expression statement, but now there is a value itself. This value can be numeric also. With this value can be anything, whatever Python values are there. So right now we are using string as a value. Now let us run this code. Right, suppose signal color is green. So it is outputting a value of, no, I made a mistake in typing green. So I'll again type as green. Right, so it will output go here. Right, if the signal color is red, as I told you earlier that we have to test for every value whichever is the condition given. So both stop and go we have tested. Now I wanted to demonstrate this in a flowchart form also. We are normally using this Gemini AI, but this Gemini AI is not giving that kind of flowchart. So here I am using now ChatGPT, the standard tool ChatGPT, right? This is quite excellent. I have given here, explain this Python code with a visual line diagram for this particular statement. So very interesting diagram it has given. Just see, start if SC is equal to green. This is the condition we have given, which is the if condition. So if this condition is true, the first statement, you can see here, this first statement go value will come, and if it is no, then OP becomes stop. Either OP becomes go or OP becomes stop, and then at means OP gets a value. This is the simple flow diagram of this particular code. Right? When OP gets a value, then you can obviously print that. Whatever value it comes in OP, you can print it. Fine. So this must be fairly clear to you with this particular diagram. Right? So you can ask me further questions if you want, and give your comments give your feedback in the comment section. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.